Hello America, my name is Austin with Bobby Combs RV Center. Today I'm in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and behind me is one of the prettiest units I've seen in a long time. This is the IBEX 23MBH, and I don't even want to beat around the bush anymore. Let's go check it out. Right when you walk into your unit, you've got two bar stools right here. Great spot for a little breakfast nook. You've also got a Murphy bed right here. This couch will jackknife and lay flat, and your queen size bed will lay down right here. You do have storage down here and on the other side of your bed, and some backlit wardrobe space for you as well. In your slide out, you've got a booth dinette. You can drop that table down and give yourself an extra sleeping area there. Additionally, you've got these convenient storage doors under both seats. Speaking of storage, huge cupboards back here, two shelves on both, and beneath that we've got a central vac, and you can just lift this up and sweep right into it. Heading back into here, your bathroom is going to have a shower with plenty of headroom for all 6'1" of me. Toilet right there, a sink with some storage down below that, and a medicine cabinet. Hello, handsome. Back here in your bunks, you've got two double-sized bunks. You can also flip this one up here. There is access from the outside. Roll in your bikes, kayaks, canoes, whatever you may have. You do have a full-size 12-volt fridge and freezer right here. This right here is going to be your 3-burner stovetop, and you've got a nice big storage cubby down below that. Microwave up above that, and then this is the highlight of this trailer, folks. Check out this sink. You've got all these shelves for inserts. Wash your vegetables right there, wash your cups right there, and wash your hands right there. And folks, this is one you just got to come see in person. There's so many great things I haven't even had a chance to mention, like the solar on the roof, the TV right over there, and the secret bottle opener. So come check out Bobby Combs RV in Coeur d'Alene. We're located at 1212 West Appleway Avenue, or visit us online at bobbycombsrvcenter.com.